Welcome to the All Inks tutorial. Step 1. Depositing USDT to the exchange. On the app's homepage, you can tap the deposit button in the top right corner to go directly to the deposit screen. Alternatively, you can tap the Assets tab in the bottom right corner to enter your assets, and then select Deposit. Once on the deposit screen, the page will default to USDT. Here, please select the deposit network first. After making your selection, the system will generate a dedicated deposit address for that network. Tap Copy, and you can then use this address to make your deposit. If you wish to deposit a different cryptocurrency, please tap here at the top of the screen. From the list that appears, simply select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Step 2. Transferring to Nexus and buying ASC. Before we begin, please ensure you have sufficient USDT in your exchange's funding account. First, please tap the Nexus button at the bottom of the app to enter the Nexus ecosystem. Tap the menu button in the top right corner of the page. Then in the menu that appears, select and enter the Assets page. On your Nexus Assets page, tap the Transfer button to enter the transfer screen. Please set the transfer path from funding account to Nexus account. Select USDT as the currency, enter the amount you wish to transfer, and then tap Confirm. After the transfer is successful, please tap the menu button in the top right corner again. This time, select Market to enter the OTC trading page. On the OTC page, first select Buy. You will see various offers with different limits from merchants. Please choose an offer that suits your needs and tap Buy ASC. Enter the quantity of ASC you wish to buy and tap Confirm. Carefully review the purchase details in the pop-up window. If everything is correct, tap Confirm again. And with that, you have successfully purchased ASC tokens within Nexus. Step 3. Staking ASC in Nexus. Before we begin, please ensure you have ASC tokens available for staking in your Nexus account. Please tap the menu icon in the top right corner, and in the pop-out menu, select Simple Earn to enter the single token staking page. In the ASC staking project, tap the Pledge button to enter the operation page. Here, first select your desired staking period, and then enter the amount of ASC you want to stake. Tap the Confirm button to successfully complete the staking process. After successfully staking, you can view your staking details and earnings at any time by tapping My Pledge on this page. Step 4. Claiming rewards from Nexus. On the Nexus homepage, please tap the menu button, and in the menu bar, select Extraction Pool to enter the rewards extraction page. On the Pledge Bonus Extraction Pool page, tap the Extract button, and the Extract Revenue window will pop up. Under the Earnings Distribution Duration option, you can choose a 180-day linear release, or accelerate the release of your rewards by burning a NT. After making your selection, tap the Confirm button to successfully extract your rewards. Once the operation is complete, you just need to wait for the rewards to be distributed to your account daily. Step 5. Cashing out your ANT rewards. Method 1. C2C transfer. On the Nexus Asset Management page, please tap the Transfer Out button to enter the transfer page. Select a NT as the currency, enter the amount you wish to send, input the recipient's recipient UID, and then tap the Transfer Out button. In the confirmation pop-up, please review the details carefully. If everything is correct, tap Confirm to complete the C2C transfer. Method 2. OTC trading. Please return to the Nexus Asset Management page. Tap the menu button in the top right corner, and then select Market from the menu bar to enter the OTC page. On the OTC page, you will see that each merchant has different trading limits and prices. Based on this information, please choose the merchant that best suits you, and then tap Sell a NT. On the sell screen, enter the amount of ANT you wish to sell, and then tap Confirm to complete the OTC transaction. Method 3. Transfer to the exchange. Return to the Nexus Asset Management page again and tap the Transfer button. Please set the transfer path from Nexus to funding account, select ANT as the currency, and then enter the amount you wish to transfer. Finally, Tap the Confirm button to complete the transfer. After the transfer is successful, you can view your ANT in the exchange's assets page and trade it freely. This concludes our tutorial. Thanks for watching.